I've been cruising for over 15 years, and when I heard about MSC's newest flagship, the Azura, I knew I had to experience it firsthand. This ship promises to redefine luxury cruising with some pretty bold claims. After spending 7 nights aboard, I'm here to give you the complete breakdown of what this floating resort actually delivers. Let me start with something that caught my attention immediately. The Azura isn't just another cookie-cutter cruise ship. MSC has positioned this as their most innovative vessel yet, and honestly, some of their innovations actually work. But before we get carried away with the marketing hype, let's dive into what really matters when you're spending your hard-earned vacation money. The staterooms on the Azura come in several categories, and I'll be honest, the variety is impressive. The interior cabins are surprisingly spacious for what you'd expect from a windowless room. These start around 160 square feet, which might sound cramped, but the clever use of space makes them feel larger. The beds are comfortable, storage is adequate, and the bathrooms are functional without being luxurious. Moving up to oceanview cabins, you get that precious window to the outside world. These rooms are roughly the same size as interior cabins, but the natural light makes a huge difference. The views aren't always spectacular, depending on your deck level, but there's something psychologically satisfying about seeing the ocean from your room. The real game changers are the balcony cabins. Starting around 200 square feet with an additional 35 square foot balcony, these rooms transform your cruise experience. The sliding glass doors open to reveal your private outdoor space where you can enjoy morning coffee or evening cocktails. The balcony furniture is sturdy and comfortable, though don't expect anything too fancy. For those wanting to splurge, the suites are where the Azura really shows off. The Yacht Club suites come with butler service, priority everything, and access to exclusive areas of the ship. These range from junior suites at around 300 square feet to the massive owner suites that can exceed 500 square feet. The amenities include premium bedding, marble bathrooms, and some seriously impressive views. What impressed me most about the accommodations was the technology integration. Every room features smart controls for lighting, temperature, and entertainment systems. The Wi-Fi actually works reliably, which is more than I can say for some other cruise lines. The USB charging ports are plentiful, and the electrical outlets accommodate international plugs without adapters. Now let's talk about food, because let's face it, dining can make or break a cruise experience. The Azura takes a comprehensive approach to dining that should satisfy most palates. The main dining room operates on a traditional schedule with rotating menus that change daily. The food quality here is solid, not spectacular, but consistently good, with options ranging from international classics to regional specialties. The buffet restaurant spans multiple levels and offers an impressive variety throughout the day. Breakfast includes everything from continental options to made-to-order omelets. Lunch features multiple international stations, and dinner brings out more premium options. The organization and flow could be better during peak times, but the food quality remains consistent. For specialty dining, the Azura really steps up its game. The steakhouse serves genuinely excellent cuts of meat, cooked to perfection with classic sides and an extensive wine list. Reservations are essential, and yes, there's an additional charge, but the quality justifies the cost. The Italian restaurant offers authentic dishes with fresh pasta made daily and sauces that actually taste like they came from someone's Italian grandmother. The Asian fusion restaurant presents an interesting mix of cuisines under one roof. The sushi is fresh, the stir-fries are flavorful, and the presentation is Instagram-worthy. The teppanyaki tables provide entertainment along with your meal, though the chefs vary in their showmanship skills. One unique dining experience worth mentioning is the chef's table dinner. Limited to 12 guests, this multi-course tasting menu showcases the culinary team's creativity. The wine pairings are expertly chosen, and the intimate setting allows for interaction with the executive chef. It's pricey, but if you're celebrating something special, it's memorable. The bars throughout the ship maintain high standards with skilled bartenders who can craft both classic cocktails and creative signature drinks. The wine selection is extensive, featuring bottles from major wine regions worldwide. The sports bar atmosphere is casual and perfect for watching games, while the champagne bar offers a more refined experience. Pool areas on cruise ships can often feel overcrowded and chaotic, but the Azura manages to create distinct zones that cater to different preferences. The main pool deck features 2 large pools with plenty of surrounding deck space for lounging. The pool depth is suitable for cooling off rather than serious swimming, which is typical for cruise ships. The adult-only pool area provides a more serene environment for those seeking relaxation without the energy of families. This section features a smaller pool, more upscale loungers, and attentive service from roving staff members. The atmosphere here is noticeably calmer, making it perfect for reading or napping. For families, the kids' splash area offers water features designed for younger children. The water slides provide excitement for older kids and adventurous adults. The slides are well maintained and staffed with attentive lifeguards who take safety seriously. The sun deck spaces are thoughtfully designed with a mix of sunny and shaded areas. The loungers are comfortable and plentiful, though prime spots fill up early during sea days. The deck staff does an excellent job of maintaining cleanliness and providing fresh towels throughout the day. Hot tubs are scattered across multiple decks, each offering different views and atmospheres. Some overlook the main pool area while others provide more secluded spots for relaxation. The water temperature is consistently maintained, and the jets provide good pressure for a relaxing soak. Activities aboard the Azura cater to a wide range of interests and energy levels. The fitness center is impressively equipped with modern cardio machines, weight training equipment, and free weights. The ocean views from the treadmills make workouts more enjoyable than your typical gym experience. Personal trainers are available for those wanting guided workouts or fitness assessments. The sports deck features a basketball court that doubles as a volleyball court depending on the scheduled activities. The rock climbing wall presents multiple difficulty levels, from beginner-friendly routes to challenging climbs that will test experienced climbers. Safety equipment is provided, and staff members offer instruction for newcomers. Indoor activities include a well-stocked library with comfortable reading areas and ocean views. The card room provides space for bridge games and other table games, often with organized tournaments. The art gallery features rotating exhibitions and hosts art auctions that can be entertaining even if you're not buying. Entertainment shows in the main theater are professionally produced with talented performers. The production values are high, featuring elaborate costumes, impressive choreography, and live music. The theater itself is comfortable with good sightlines from most seats, though arriving early ensures better seating options. The casino offers the full range of gaming options including slot machines, blackjack, roulette, and poker. The atmosphere is lively without being overwhelming, and the staff is knowledgeable about the games. Smoking is restricted to designated areas, which keeps the air cleaner than many ship casinos. The spa and wellness facilities on the Azura deserve special mention for their comprehensive approach to relaxation and health. The spa spans multiple decks and offers an extensive menu of treatments ranging from basic massages to advanced skincare procedures. The treatment rooms are private and peaceful, with skilled therapists who customize treatments to individual needs. The thermal suite provides a variety of heat and steam experiences including saunas, steam rooms, and heated loungers. Access requires an additional fee, but the facilities are less crowded than the main spa areas and offer a more tranquil environment. The relaxation areas feature comfortable seating with ocean views. Fitness classes are scheduled throughout the day, including yoga, pilates, spinning, and aerobics. The instructors are certified professionals who accommodate different fitness levels within each class. The schedule is posted daily, and popular classes can fill up quickly. The thalassotherapy pool uses seawater and is designed for therapeutic purposes. The mineral content and temperature are maintained for optimal health benefits. Surrounding this pool are relaxation areas where you can unwind before or after treatments. Wellness seminars cover topics like nutrition, stress management, and healthy living. These sessions are informative without being preachy and often provide practical tips you can use at home. The wellness staff is knowledgeable and approachable for individual questions. For families traveling with children, the Azura provides comprehensive programs that keep kids engaged while giving parents some adult time. The Kids Club is divided by age groups, each with age-appropriate activities and dedicated staff members. The younger children's area features educational games, arts and crafts, and supervised playtime. The Teen Club offers a more sophisticated environment with gaming systems, music, and social activities designed for adolescents. The staff understands the unique needs of teenagers and creates programs that are engaging without being childish. Late-night activities allow teens to socialize while parents enjoy adult venues. Family-friendly activities throughout the ship include movie screenings, deck games, and educational programs about marine life and destinations. The family pool area provides space where parents and children can enjoy water activities together. Childcare services are available for parents wanting evening entertainment or spa treatments. The trained staff provides supervised activities in safe, engaging environments. Advanced reservations are recommended, especially during popular evening shows. The kids' dining options include familiar favorites alongside opportunities to try new foods. Special kids menus are available in most restaurants, and the main buffet always features child-friendly options. High chairs and booster seats are readily available throughout dining venues. Shore excursions and ports of call represent one of the most exciting aspects of cruising, and the Azura's itineraries don't disappoint. The ship visits a carefully selected mix of popular destinations and lesser-known gems that provide diverse cultural experiences. Each port offers multiple excursion options ranging from cultural tours to adventure activities. The shore excursion desk provides detailed information about each destination and helps match activities to individual interests and physical abilities. Local guides are knowledgeable and passionate about sharing their home regions with visitors. Transportation is comfortable and reliable, though some excursions involve significant walking or physical activity. Cultural tours focus on historical sites, local traditions, and architectural highlights. These tours provide context and background that enhance understanding of each destination. Food tours offer opportunities to taste local specialties and learn about regional cooking traditions. Adventure excursions include activities like snorkeling, hiking, and water sports. Equipment is provided and safety briefings are thorough. These activities are suitable for various skill levels, though some require basic physical fitness. Shopping excursions visit local markets and specialty stores where you can find unique souvenirs and local products. Guides provide insights into local crafts and help navigate bargaining customs. Some excursions include demonstrations of traditional crafts or cooking techniques. Independent exploration is always an option, and the ship's port information helps you navigate on your own. Local transportation options are explained and maps are provided. The ship's departure times are clearly communicated, and they do wait for their own shore excursions if delays occur. Taking everything into consideration, the Azura delivers a solid cruise experience that should satisfy most travelers. The ship excels in several key areas while having room for improvement in others. The accommodations are comfortable and well-appointed, with technology integration that actually enhances the experience rather than complicating it. Dining options provide good variety and quality, though the specialty restaurants significantly outshine the included venues. The additional cost for premium dining is worth considering if your budget allows. Service throughout the ship is professional and friendly, with staff members who seem genuinely interested in ensuring guest satisfaction. Entertainment and activities offer something for everyone, though some venues can feel crowded during peak times. The ship's size allows for diverse offerings while maintaining a sense of intimacy that larger vessels sometimes lack. The spa and wellness facilities are among the best I've experienced on cruise ships. Areas for improvement include crowd management during embarkation and disembarkation, which can feel chaotic and disorganized. Some public areas could benefit from better sound dampening, as noise from adjacent venues sometimes intrudes. The Wi-Fi, while functional, could be faster for the price charged. What truly sets the Azura apart from competitors is its thoughtful approach to passenger flow and space utilization. The ship feels less crowded than its passenger capacity would suggest, thanks to intelligent design that distributes people naturally throughout public areas. The outdoor spaces are particularly well planned, with multiple deck levels that provide options for different preferences. The ship's environmental initiatives deserve recognition, including advanced wastewater treatment systems and energy-efficient technologies that reduce environmental impact without affecting guest comfort. These features appeal to environmentally conscious travelers who want a cruise responsibly. The art collection throughout the ship is impressive and adds cultural value to the cruise experience. Rather than generic maritime decorations, the Azura features carefully curated pieces that reflect the regions visited during itineraries. This attention to cultural detail extends to entertainment programming and enrichment lectures. For business travelers or groups planning events, the Azura offers several meeting spaces and conference facilities. The business center provides computers, printing services, and quiet spaces for work. Conference rooms can accommodate groups of various sizes and include audio-visual equipment for presentations. The internet connectivity in meeting spaces is prioritized to ensure reliable connections for business activities. Catering services can provide refreshments for meetings, and the staff is experienced in supporting corporate events and celebrations. Private dining spaces can be arranged for business dinners or special celebrations. These venues provide more intimate settings while maintaining the high service standards found throughout the ship. Guest experience highlights from my voyage include several moments that demonstrate the ship's commitment to exceptional service. One evening, a guest mentioned celebrating an anniversary, and the staff surprised them with champagne and dessert in the specialty restaurant. These personalized touches happen regularly and create lasting memories. The guest services team consistently goes beyond basic requirements to solve problems and enhance experiences. When weather-forced itinerary changes, they proactively communicated alternatives and offered additional onboard credits to affected guests. This kind of proactive service management sets the Azura apart from competitors. Housekeeping staff maintain incredibly high standards, with rooms cleaned thoroughly each day and special requests handled promptly. The attention to detail extends to remembering guest preferences and anticipating needs throughout the voyage. The Azura represents a solid choice for cruisers seeking a balance of luxury amenities, diverse activities, and quality service. While not perfect, the ship delivers on most of its promises and provides good value for the investment. Whether you're a first-time cruiser or a seasoned veteran, the Azura offers an experience that should create positive memories and leave you planning your next voyage.